Hello friends, this is Bilal Haider, and in this video part we are actually going to look into another example of sort. Let's say instead of numbers you are sorting string values, right? So how can you do that? You can use the same sort method basically and do not pass it any function. Okay, so just like this definition here, it tells us that if we don't pass any function to it, if omitted, the elements are sorted in ascending ASCII character order. Okay, so ASCII or ASCII, whatever. So if you look at the character set, if you go to Google and type ASCII character set, you'll find that these characters are um, they are represented by some numbers. Okay, so if you look at the chart, if you go to Google and find the ASCII character set, you'll find that every character is represented by a number. So back in its algorithm, it's even if it's doing sorting the strings or text, it's basically doing it using numbers. So uh, if I run this code here, right, you'll see that I passed in this order: Heather, Bilal, Steve, John, Doe, Lily, right? And when I apply the sort method to this array, I now get Bilal, Doe, Heather, John, Lily, Steve. So it's correctly ordered in ascending. It's ascending order. And if I do, if I want to do descending order, what I can do is basically I can call another method which works on arrays, and that's called reverse. Okay, and reverse basically reverses the order. So if it's going 1 2 3, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 5, what it's going to do, it's going to put it fifth one at index 0, fourth one at index 1, third one at index 2, and so on. So it's basically going to reverse that array. So now if I run the code, you'll see that my array is now in descending order. So that's how you can sort an array which has um, string string values in them, and you can sort them in ascending and descending order. And I was talking about the ASCII character set to tell you that you should look into it. There is a reason you should look at it. So let's say I change this small d to capital D and change this S to capital S. Okay, and you're thinking, alright, so the results should be the same. So Steve should be number one, Lily should be second, John, and the order should be like this because we are also calling reverse in here. But if you will run this code, you will see that no, Steve and Doe are at the end of the array. Why is that? That is because capital S and small s, those are two different values in JavaScript. Okay, and they both have a different ASCII value. Okay, so if I go to Google, let's say, and I will show you the ASCII character set. So table, right, and let's go to images. Let's click the first one, in here. Okay, so if you look at this this chart in here, um, you will find capital A in here. I'm not sure if my mouse works, but if you if you look at this 65 number, if you just look at the chart and find the number 65, you will see in red color, you will see the character A is written there. So 65 is basically the decimal number for the character capital A. And if you look just after it, like not after it, like not number 66, but in the next column, you will see that there is 97 number, the 97 decimal number, and you will see that 97 number is for small a. So the small letters are basically have higher value than the capital letters, okay, in this ASCII set basically. So now if you will look at the code again, you will see your this sorting will make sense to you, right? Because you know that um, it sorts based upon the ASCII value of these characters. So if you will put capital letters in the names, they will not be correctly sorted. So what you can do in this example is that you can first convert them all into a lowercase values. Okay, you convert all your elements to lowercase or uppercase, and then you sort them all, and then because they have the same case now, they will be correctly sorted. But you don't know how to change the case for in JavaScript, and I will actually show you that in the next video part. That is not an array method, but it works with strings. But I guess I will just show you that method in the next video, and then we will move on with more array methods.